Today we're going to replace drawer slide assemblies. Start by pulling the drawer all the way open. Pull the retaining clips forward on each side of the drawer. Now the drawer can be pulled out and lifted from the drawer slides. Remove the drawer slide mounting plate from the drawer by unscrewing the 6 bolts and nylon insert nuts. Repeat the process for the opposite side of the drawer. Next, we'll remove the roller assemblies from the inside of the cabinet. They're held in place by quarter 20 hex nuts and washers. Remove 6 nuts and 6 washers from each side of the cabinet. Note the roller assembly is installed in the cabinet in the number 1 position. Replace the screws and washers in the new roller assembly, starting in the front in the number 1 hole. Then the middle position, and the rear position. Once all the screws and washers are in place, tighten them securely. Repeat the process for the roller assembly on the other side of the cabinet. Now we'll replace the drawer slide mounting plate onto the drawers. Again, the screws will go into the number 1 position. The screws will be on the inside of the drawer and the nuts on the outside of the drawer. Install all 6 screws and nuts and tighten them securely. Again, repeat the process for the other side of the drawer. Once the plates are mounted on the drawer, pull the slides forward and lift the plastic retainers. Set the drawer down in the slide, ensuring both sides are engaged, and roll the drawer into the cabinet. Once it's fully in, pull the drawer back out and push the retaining clips downward. Now the drawer is fully installed. This concludes the installation of the drawer slide assemblies.